Hello students, in this video we will try to learn how to plot the graph of y is equal to mod of x. Let us try to first understand the function properly. The function goes like this: y is equal to mod of x. The meaning of mod function is that the output is always a positive number irrespective of the value of x. Say for example, if my x is equal to minus 3, y will be equal to mod of minus 3, which will be 3, and if my x is equal to positive 3, then also y will be equal to mod of positive 3 will give me positive 3. It means that for x is equal to minus 3 I have a y of 3, and for x is equal to 3 also I have a y of 3. So for two values, different values of x, I have a similar value of y. Hence, if you try to plot the graph will be something like this. It will be a V-shaped graph. Y will not have any negative values, y will have all the positive values, and x will have both positive and negative values. Now, if we try to plot the graph of y is equal to 2 times x, let us see how the graph looks. Y is equal to 2 times x. Y is equal to mod of 2x. Now, for same value of x, now my y value will be equal to 2 times of that. Say for example, for x is equal to minus 3, my y will be equal to mod of 2 times minus 3 will be equal to mod of minus 6 will be equal to 6. So now my coordinates will be minus 3 and 6. Similarly, if I am taking x is equal to plus 3, then my coordinates will be 3, 6. So for same value of x now, because if it is 2x, I have a higher value of y. It means that my graph will come closer to y axis. My lines will become more steep now. If you see the graph, it will be something like this. The V will be narrower. We are trying to plot the graph of next y is equal to 0.5x. So then what it will be? Y is equal to mod of 0.5x. Say for example, I am taking x is equal to again minus 3, then y will be equal to 0.5 times minus 3, that will be half of minus 3, and that will be minus 1.5, which will be equal to 1.5. So for the same value of x, now I am getting a lower value of y. It means my line will become less steep. Line will move away from the y axis, and if we try to plot this graph, we get a graph which will be broader than the original graph. And if we try to compare all the three graphs, it will be something like this. You can see that the green graph y is equal to x mod of x is the original graph. Blue graph is y is equal to mod of 2x, and red graph is y is equal to 0.5 times x. I hope you understood this. To understand the concepts further, move on to the next video in the same series.